This is our little Chloe. Oh, careful. She's only 4 months old. She's mad as a brush, but she's lovely. Hey guys, so Christmas is very fast approaching. It's only a few days away. If you hear any noise, it's from this little one who's really fascinated by my camera at the moment. Stop it now. So as this is the festive time of year, I thought I would make some chocolate bombs. They've been on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And I thought I'd give them a go. We've got the mould, we've got the chocolate, so let's get ready to rumble. We've transferred to the kitchen with my trusty assistant here, Bartholomew. It's not really. Oh, it's Zingbar! Have me make my chocolate bombs. Okay, so we're gonna use this chocolate, this craft chocolate. Also gonna need some moulds like this. Piling on the pounds slowly and eating like an absolute wild boar. See? I know you're going through a lot, dear, but you don't need to hit the chocolate.
I do need to hit the chocolate.
So we don't measure in this kitchen. Okay. There's the chocolate on the hob. Let's let it melt. Just let it slowly melt over the heat, and soon I'm going to just take it off now and just let the existing heat melt the chocolate. I might be helping myself to a bit of chocolate with the spoon. So what we're going to do is about 2 tablespoons of chocolate per mould. There's one, and then there's the other. And what you're going to do is you're going to work up the edges like so. So you get a nice kind of wall of chocolate. So there's our chocolatey moulds. Some with 2 tablespoons of chocolate and some with 1, just to mix it up because it looked like much more than on videos I've seen, so I don't know if I used the wrong chocolate or what, but either way we'll see what happens. So just rotating the chocolate, making sure it's around the edges completely. I use the back of the spoon to do that, but just to encourage it a bit more, give it another layering. Then we're going to tip it onto the parchment paper, get any excess off. That's it. In the fridge it goes. So we might have used the wrong chocolate, but it still works, it's just a bit more finicky, but it's all good. So this one's just come out of the fridge. Looks like it's hardened, so I'm going to try and peel it off. This is the tricky bit, trying to peel these moulds. So let's give it a go. So far so good. Careful. Oh, it's very gently. Okay. They're so wafer thin. So here they all are. So we've gone for Aero, Maltesers, Ferrero Rocher, and some of these. I'm also going to cut these into bits. But so this is not the prettiest looking, but hopefully it will taste good in the hot chocolate. Okay, grab a couple of Maltesers, some mint chocolate in that one, some Ferrero Rocher, these. So obviously our toppings are a little bit limited, but let's just work with these. To be fair, it doesn't look very appetising with the ingredients we put in there, but it will still be nice because you can't beat marshmallow and chocolate and mint and chocolate and Ferrero Rocher and chocolate. You could put anything in there, Kinder Bueno, whatever you like. Anyway, so what you do, heat up a pan, very lightly place them on the pan and let the chocolate just start to melt, and then you can use it to seal your bomb. It's so tricky to get them on actually. There you go. 2 successes. They're not the most beautiful, but hopefully they're going to taste really nice in hot chocolate. You have to act really, really fast because it starts to melt in your hands, and if you try and film while you're doing it like I did, this happens. Look at this. Looks like a bloody Reese's Piece. That would be nice actually in there, Reese's Pieces. So they are loaded. Now we're going to add the milk. And this is the Malteser and Aero. There you go. So let's give them a try. Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, that is lovely.
That's delicious.
I'd say maybe we could have put more stuff inside.
That marshmallow just dissolved in my mouth and it tasted amazing.
So Tig's moved because we're joined by Chloe. She's curious, aren't you, little one? But this is actually really, really good. You could put anything in it. You could put Horlicks in this, you could put cocoa powder, you could put whatever you like inside it. It's a really cool way to have like a hot cup of hot chocolate. Who's curious? Well, the oyster's curious too. We hope you have a lovely Christmas and we will see you guys again next week.
We will.
Ho, ho, ho. I suggest you subscribe to Kate's channel. I like to eat tissue. Subscribe to her. She's just desperate, you know. And also thank you for helping her reach 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I really think that's just one of the best Christmas presents we could ask for. Oh, you big fluff bucket. Please join her channel for future videos where we're going on lots of travels. I mean, I'm not coming at the moment because I'm too much of a kitten, but I will eventually at one point. So please enjoy your Christmas. Have a very happy one. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then I hope you have a lovely cat you can fiddle with. If you don't have a lovely cat you can fiddle with, then I just hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.